Enough said. Text 4. Good evening, tour and classmates. Hello, my name is Alejandra Castillo. I am Colombian. I am 32 years old, and I study health administration. The last Christmas, I was in mother's house with all my family. We were cooking turkey, green rice, and cool salad. Also, we were happy together. My recipe is named mosaic. It's a Bogota typical dessert. It is delicious and good for every chance. The ingredients what we are going to need are 4 packages of jelly flavor, 2 green cherry, orange, and lemon of 40 grams, 6 tablespoons of condensed milk of 90 grams, 1 packet of jelly without flavor, dissolved into tablespoons, 1/2 of 7 grams. The preparation is first forming the jelly on 1 bowl of water, every flavor in a different container. Then carry the freeze for 3 hours until set. Next month, inspect that the jelly squeeze. In the meantime, in the pan, add the condensed milk, the milk and the jelly without flavor. Stir until to integrate well. Roulette love it. After that, remove to file and let cool a bit, avoiding its base. Next, chop the jellies. Easy squares and small and place in the mold, interspersing the colors, with the preparing of the milk about. Scattering well. Carry the refrigerator until set for 3 hours. Finally, and mold above serve. My friends, I will invite you to Bogota for you try out. I am safe that you will love it. Thank you.